Hello guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to make slime with glue and salt. So you're going to need something to mix with. It has to be microwavable. Glue, salt, and or something to mix with. I'm using a toothpick. So the first thing you want to do is put in how much glue you want. I'm not going to make that much. Then you're going to put in the same amount of salt you put in for glue. But don't add too much. Don't mix it. And then we're going to go add water. Okay, so I added my water, and then now you're going to just put it in the microwave for 20 seconds. So then after you take it out of the microwave, you want to dump out the extra water. So then you just want to knead it with your hands.
Might as well.
Say that. What do I say
Rip
that?
paper.
Rip paper. This is rip flavor. This is rip flavor. Sorry. Yeah, I don't even know what to call this.
Okay guys, this was my third try and I finally got it right. So this is what the slime is supposed to look like. It's playable and it doesn't stick to your fingers or your hand. But the problem is it can't stretch, like it's not good. And it's a good consistency, but it's like not the best slime.
Now we forgot something. Shout in this video to everybody in the world.
So this is what I mean by the slime can't stretch, because right when you pull it, it just falls apart.
Alright.
So here's my first and second attempt and here's my third one. As you guys can tell, there's a huge difference. And how I got it to look like that is instead of mixing it right when you take it out of the microwave, I just let it sit for a few minutes and then I picked it up and started kneading it in my hands. This is what the first and second attempt looked like. It was like coconut. I don't know, shredded coconut, I don't know. But seriously, the third one is what you want. So just remember, don't start mixing it right when you take it out of the microwave. Here's my first and second attempt. Obviously, it wasn't really slime. And it wasn't stretchy at all, so I don't think you guys would want this. Because it just felt like dried glue. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. If you guys liked it, click that like button. And please comment down below. Tell me if this worked for you. And don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!